Welcome to this training module on ventilation control, including smoke extraction, under the Advanced Firefighting course of the Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines. In this lesson, we will examine how ventilation control affects fire behavior, how manual and automatic ventilation systems operate, and how smoke extraction systems support fire party operations. Effective ventilation management is critical during shipboard fires. It influences oxygen availability, smoke movement, temperature control, and the safety of fire teams. This module aims to provide you with the knowledge needed to make informed, tactical decisions during fire emergencies aboard ships. Ventilation systems on board ships function to supply fresh air, maintain habitability, and cool machinery spaces. These include supply fans, exhaust fans, fire dampers, and automatic closing devices installed throughout the ship's compartments. During a fire, these same systems can unintentionally feed oxygen to the fire or distribute smoke and toxic gases to other areas. This is why ventilation control is an essential part of firefighting operations. Manual ventilation control requires fire teams to physically shut ventilation openings at their local positions. This includes closing fire dampers, stopping supply or exhaust fans, and sealing ventilation trunks leading to affected compartments. When closing a fire damper, the crew must verify that the damper blade fully seats in the locked position and that the indicator plate confirms closure. Stopping supply fans reduces oxygen flow, while halting exhaust fans prevents drawing flames or smoke into other spaces. Automatic ventilation control operates through fire detection systems connected to fire dampers and fan shutdown circuits. Once heat or smoke detectors activate, the system automatically closes dampers and trips ventilation fans in the affected zones. This rapid response prevents early fire growth by limiting oxygen supply and reduces smoke spread to adjacent accommodation, cargo spaces, and machinery rooms. However, automatic systems must always be verified manually by the fire team to ensure all ventilation points are fully shut. Ventilation control must be properly timed and coordinated. Closing dampers too early may trap crew members or reduce visibility for evacuation. Closing them too late may feed the fire and intensify its spread. A coordinated approach between the bridge, engine control room, and fire party ensures that ventilation control supports, rather than compromises, the firefighting operation. Smoke extraction systems remove smoke and hot gases from enclosed spaces to improve visibility, reduce temperature, and create safer entry conditions for the fire team. These systems use high-capacity exhaust fans, ducting, and designated extraction points to draw smoke out safely without supplying additional oxygen to the fire. In a fire situation, smoke extraction must be operated carefully. The system is normally activated after isolating the fire compartment's supply ventilation and sealing unnecessary openings. Smoke extraction should be used only when 1. The fire is contained or boundaries are cooled, 2. Oxygen supply can be controlled, and 3. Extraction will not intensify combustion. Remote activation from the bridge or fire control station allows smoke extraction to begin without exposing crew to unnecessary danger. Tactical decisions on smoke extraction must consider the direction of smoke movement, pressure zones, wind conditions, and the ship's internal layout. Poorly planned extraction may draw fire into new areas. Proper tactical assessment ensures smoke is removed in a direction that aids, rather than hinders, firefighting entry and evacuation routes. Ventilation and smoke extraction activities must always be communicated to the fire party. Firefighters entering the compartment must be aware of active extraction points, changes in temperature, and potential shifts in fire behavior due to pressure changes. Accurate documentation on the fire control plan helps the team maintain a clear operational picture. In summary, ventilation control and smoke extraction are essential components of shipboard firefighting operations. Manual and automatic ventilation controls reduce oxygen supply and prevent uncontrolled smoke spread, while smoke extraction systems improve visibility, reduce heat, and support safe fire team entry. When properly coordinated, these systems significantly enhance operational safety and effectiveness. As future leaders and responders, your understanding of these procedures is vital in maintaining the safety of your vessel and crew. Thank you for completing this instructional module under the Advanced Firefighting program of the Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines.